Starting around 19 October 2023, Dogecoin really is exchanging at $0.058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Doge basically has an especially all-out market cap of $8,243,881,758, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,542,198 in a truly significant manner. This especially makes Dogecoin, Doge, extremely positioning at 9 in the digital money market, or so they by and large thought. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin by and large be fundamentally worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Is Dogecoin a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high in an unobtrusive manner? These are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost especially is supposed to cross an essentially normal value level of $0.093, the normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to explicitly be $0.089, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Besides, Doge can explicitly arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.098 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin especially is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $0.072, showing how additionally Doge can really arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.098, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a really limit of $0.082, with the kind of typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value forecast September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, in a genuinely huge way. The Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.085, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089 in a genuinely huge manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.086, showing how Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost truly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.093, the normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $0.089. Essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is explicitly anticipated to fundamentally reach at any rate worth of $0.086 in November 2023, in a very significant way. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.093, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is essentially anticipated to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.098, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Which by and large shows that Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a really normal value level of $0.093. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $0.089 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been generally diminished by 1.58% in its essentially current worth, or so they sort of thought. Assuming we sort of analyze the extremely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap most certainly is additionally down, which all things considered is very huge. Dogecoin really is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, exhibiting how might Doge cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled essentially high in a truly significant manner. The Doge in a real sense is down to nearly 0.3% over the most recent 7 days in a by and large huge manner. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for certainly past by and large couple of days. The coin could basically have areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't essentially believe that it would a beneficial resource in most certainly present moment, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge especially diminished by 38.629%, disposing of an astounding kind of typical amount of $0.037 from its sort of current worth, showing how this in every way that really matters makes Dogecoin, Doge, beautiful positioning at 9 in the digital money market in a sort of enormous manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an especially great generally purchase an open door for speedy venture, so these in every practical sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they truly thought. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 32.53%, and the cost especially flowed from a fundamentally least most certainly normal cost of $0.085 to genuinely greatest pretty normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin fundamentally is somewhere near 18.48% with the really greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0.076 and the very least by and large normal cost of especially was around $0.073 in lovely beyond 4 months in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will generally be Dogecoin really worth in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? The Doge cost especially is estimated to truly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.098, with pretty least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that the Doge value sort of is gauged to essentially arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0.098, with kind of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023 in a significant manner. Does Dogecoin especially have a future? As far as value, Dogecoin by and large has a remarkable for the most part potential to arrive at new levels, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It truly is conjecture that Doge will increment in esteem, which most certainly is genuinely critical. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners.